When you're on that side, buddy, I can't see you. You got to come off this side. What happened, Owen?
It was on accident. I went off that.
What does that tell us?
Out of control?
Very good. Are you out of control?
No. It was an accident!
Dylan, get in control, Dylan, please. Here comes Mom and Gracie.
Did you see my jump? Dad? No, he didn't film.
She's being shy.